What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. Today we got another StreetSmart Edge tutorial video. We're going to talk about the built-in high-low stock scanner. I tell people all the time, StreetSmart Edge is a wonderful platform. This is my favorite platform that I like to use. I don't trade with Charles Schwab, but I love using this platform for my charting, the news feed, and finding stocks to trade. And it's all absolutely free. I've been with StreetSmart Edge now for going on 3 years. And I came from Thinkorswim. I just keep $1 in this account to keep it open. But if you're interested in more tutorial videos, I will leave a link to a playlist that I have created titled StreetSmart Edge Tutorial Videos. I have over 20 tutorial videos in that playlist, all related to the StreetSmart Edge platform. Check it out, learn something new, and take advantage of this powerful platform. So let's jump into this high-low stock scanner. How you find this stock scanner is you go to the launch tools and you see all of these pre-built apps that they have all right here listed for us. We're going to click on the high-low scanner here with the red and green arrows. And what's cool about this is you can create more tabs if you wanted. So if you want to see stocks that are hitting new highs or new lows on the day between a specified price amount, let's say under $2, you can create a tab for that. Or if you want stocks between $1 and $20, you can create another tab for that by just clicking the little plus sign right there. And then once you get the tab open, you're going to right click on the tab, and this is going to open up all of the options. You can save your tabs, you can rename the tabs if you want, duplicate them, and you can mess around with the colors if you would like. So if you don't like the background on this, you want to change it to, let's say, white. Click OK, changes it to a white color for you. I personally like dark colors. Then we're going to go back into it, right click, and we're going to go into the tab settings. Now this is where we get into all of the good stuff right here. I hope you guys can see this little box. I can't make it any bigger. Let's go through this. So the tab contents, we can choose what stocks we want to appear in this high of day, low of day scanner. If you only want NASDAQ stocks, only check that box. But I want to see all of the stocks. So I'm going to click on the NASDAQ and the NYSE. And if you want the indices also, you could check this box as well. But for this video, I'm going to leave that unchecked. And now we're going to go through the conditions. We're going to show daily high. Yup. We're going to show the daily low. Yup. For the last 1 day. So you can go back 2 days, 3 days, as many days as you want. But for this video, we're going to set it as 1 day. I want to see the stocks that are hitting new highs and new lows today. Show 52-week high. Yup. Show 52-week low. Yup, we're going to leave both of those checked. Show daily count column. So every single time this stock hits a new high on the day, it'll keep tally on that, and it will tell you the daily high count right there. If it's hitting a new high on the day, it'll appear as green. If it hits a new low on the day, it'll appear as red. I like to keep this option open, and that just tells me the strength of the stock. If I keep seeing that this stock is hitting a new high on the day and the daily high count is at 23, there's a lot of activity going in on this stock, and it is very bullish. Let's say a stock is approaching a new high on the day or a new 52-week high. Same thing with the lows. You can choose to select the daily or the 52-week here, and you can have this send a signal to you when a stock reaches specified price amount to the new high, to the new low. So for an example, you want to get notified of stocks that are approaching their high of day, and you want to set an alert at 10 cents. So we'll uncheck this 52-week here. we'll leave the daily check and we'll signal within 12.5 cents of new high. And then you'll click OK, and every stock that comes within 12.5 cents of the day high, it'll send an alert right here on the trade scanner right here. We're going to keep this as a high and low of day scanner. So we're going to leave these unchecked. Now we're going to go to the filter stock results. We want to exclude prices higher than, for me, $50. And we want to exclude prices lower than, and this is just all personal preference. For me, I like to look for stocks between $2 and $50 to day trade. And if you wanted to get into the 5-day average volume or the average dollar volume, they have those options available right here. Then once we get all the settings that we want, you're going to click OK. And just to recap how I have these settings, I have this showing for the day, the current trading day, new high and new lows, and new 52-week high and lows with a price difference of 0.01 cents between $50 and $2, and it's scanning the NASDAQ, the New York Stock Exchange. And this is something that I overlooked right here. If you want to be alerted by a specific price, I have this currently set to every 1 penny. So every 1 penny up or down, when the stock makes a new high or low on the day, it'll pop up on this scanner. You can tweak with this a little bit to, let's say, every 5 cents, the stock moves on a new high or a new low, it'll pop up on this. We'll keep it at 5 cents. We'll do that. Click OK, and then there you go. And then we can go through and we can rename this high-low scan. That's what we'll title this one. So anytime a new stock makes a new high or low on the day, or a new 52-week high or low, it'll pop up on this scanner and it'll keep a tally of every time it pops up. So let's see here. We have DBD made a new high on the day 26 times. Let's double click on that and check that out. And you could see this has just been creeping its way up as the day goes on. And now we got stocks hitting new lows on the day. Let's click on Go has made a new low 50 times on the day. And you can see this is just trending down. I personally like using this scan as a backup for when I don't really see any good plays on my stock screener. I can pull this up. I can see strength easily with the stocks that keep just making new highs on the day or new lows on the day. This is a very handy tool to have as a trader. I hope you guys were able to find this video useful. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, join the Trading Learning 101 community where we all grow as traders and investors. Leave comments down below. What's your favorite tool to use with the StreetSmart Edge platform? I know this platform is growing popularity. When I look it up on YouTube, I see all kinds of new people making videos on StreetSmart Edge. Back 3 years ago, when I just started using this platform, nobody was making videos on this. Now all of these new videos are popping up everywhere, and I can see people are taking a liking to this platform. I do not day trade with Charles Schwab. If you're into day trading, you need the right tools. Centerpoint Securities, Interactive Brokers. Charles Schwab is not really day trading friendly. And this is my opinion. I've made a video on this. They have a margin lookup list. If you're a type of trader where you're trying to trade stocks and small cap stocks, and you're trading 5 times a day, 10 times a day, or more, you're gonna run into problems with Charles Schwab. That's gonna wrap it up for this video, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. Until next time, have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study. Later, everybody.
The most valuable commodity I know of is information. Wouldn't you agree?